In this problem, it is asked to resolve the forces shown in figure horizontally and vertically and find their resultant, both in magnitude and direction. These are two forces shown here. Now we have to find out the resultant of these two figures. First, we have to resolve these forces horizontally and vertically, and then we have to find out the resultant of these two forces. So let us resolve forces horizontally and vertically. Resolving forces horizontally and resolving forces vertically, summation Fx equal to and summation Fy equal to. Now first, resolving 10 Newton force horizontally, it will be 10 cos 30. So 10 cos 30, it is directing towards positive x-axis, so 10 cos 30 positive. Now resolving 10 Newton vertically, it will be 10 sin 30, so it is directed towards positive y-axis, so 10 sin 30 positive. Now resolving 25 Newton horizontally, it will be 25 cos 30, so it is directing towards positive x-axis, so 25 cos 30 positive. Now resolving 25 Newton force vertically, it will be 25 sin 30. It is directed to positive y-axis, so 25 sin 30 positive. Now calculating all this, we get summation Fx equal to 24.73 newtons, and calculating all this, we get summation Fy equal to 24.15 newtons. Now resultant is given by square root r equal to square root of summation Fx square plus summation Fy square. Substitute for summation Fx and summation Fy, with r value as 34.56 newtons, and direction of the resultant is given by theta equal to tan inverse of summation Fy by summation Fx. Substitute for summation Fy and summation Fx, we get theta as 44.32 degrees. Now observing summation Fx value and summation Fy value, both are positive, so resultant will be in first quadrant. Now locating the resultant, these are the forces, and this will be resultant of 34.56 Newton, making 44.32 degrees to the horizontal. Please note that resultant is always with respect to horizontal. So this is resultant of these two forces, making 44.32 degrees, having magnitude of 34.56